Changing your primary bank on Fronius 2026 can help you manage your energy production and consumption more effectively. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Access the Fronius interface. Log into your Fronius 2026 interface using your credentials. Ensure you have administrative access to make changes to the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Bank Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. Look for the option labeled Bank Settings or Energy Management to access the configuration for your energy banks. Step 3. Select the current primary bank. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose a new primary bank. Select the bank you wish to set as your new primary. Review the details to ensure it meets your energy management needs before confirming the change. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After selecting the new primary bank, save your changes. It may be necessary to restart the system or the interface for the new settings to take effect. After completing these steps, your primary bank should be successfully changed. Make sure to monitor the system to ensure everything is functioning as expected.